Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix the media keeps stopping error on Infinix Smart 10 Plus or Smart 10 HD. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.